Hi students, it's Miss McCarty. Today what we're going to do as part of your homework assignment is we're going to I'm going to give you a little PowerPoint to go over this, a little lesson, pre-lesson, as we have talked about research and our projects coming up. Now I'm going to give you some things I want you to be on the lookout for. What is the validity of a website? And how do we know that this website is real, factual? So I'm going to give you a few steps, and then you have a few homework points that I want you to complete before you come into class on Tuesday. So the validity of a website, how do you know it's factual? Okay, it's on the internet, isn't it true? Isn't it true? So let's look at this together. The Pacific Northwest tree octopus. Okay, there it is in the tree. Very interesting. I have not gone to the Northwest very much. Let's click and see. Okay, and this is what we have for the Pacific Northwest tree octopus. Okay, so here's links for To Better Tomorrow, the scientific information, other animals of interest, Save the Mountain Walrus, Pacific Northwest jumping slugs. Okay, let's see what it says under help. Write your representative to let them know that you are concerned and that you feel that the tree octopus should be included in the dangerous species list and given population. Write to celebrities asking them to speak out on behalf of the tree octopus. So it can look factual, but when you actually look at it, it doesn't make any sense. And so that's what we can go to the validity of a website. So that's kind of fun. And we would call this a hoax or just a prank website. Okay, let's go back. Look at the URL. So the URL addresses and shows its validity. If you have something that says .org, an advocacy website such as a not-for-profit organization, okay, so a religious organization might have it like that, or something, you know, that is not for profit. .com, a business or commercial site, okay, target. Net, a site from a network, organization, or an internet service provider. Okay, so you think about browsersport.net. EDU, a site affiliated with higher education institution, higher education college. Okay, so I went to Sam Houston, so it was going to end in .edu. .gov, a federal site. So if you see .gov, it's something that the U.S. government put up. Now this is interesting. .il.us, a state government site. This may also include public schools and community colleges. And then .uk is the United Kingdom, a site originating in another country is indicated by the two-letter code. So it's going to have different letters for different countries. How many sources can you find corroborating the initial findings? So you find something out when you're researching. That sounds really good or great. Go great in this paper. So look for at least 3 other sources that verify the same information. Can you find it somewhere else? Who is the author of the website? What are the author's credentials? Okay, so if you go and you're in Google, and can you search their name and find them somewhere else? What comes up when you pull up their name? Can you find them at all? Or are they an authority on the matter? Is this a social or opinion website? And what are their credentials, or what are their educational or expertise credentials? Okay, so somebody might really think that B12 is the best vitamin in the world, but they could write an opinion about it. They can have a whole website dedicated to B12, but they might not necessarily have scientific facts. It might be opinions. So this is what I want you to do. The research. find 2 credible websites, and then write that down, or you put it on your classroom Google Doc, and then what makes them credible, and then give the evidence. I want at least a good paragraph for each website. The number 2, find a hoax or opinion website, and then what causes it to be classified as a hoax or opinion in your mind, like that tree frog one. Share the findings with your group. So tomorrow you're going to have all this information out. You're going to share the fun part is we get to share these crazy websites with each other. And then I want you guys to vote within your table groups. Which one are you going to share with the class? Okay? Oh, also important, show references. Just like I did. All right, have a wonderful night. Thanks, guys.